Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe and ring the bell down below. And stay tuned to my channel. I have lots of great things going on here. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here for a while, welcome back. So glad to have you. It is always a fun time here at the old town. Today I am unboxing a Bee Bella mystery box, and my friend Samantha from my channel, one of my supporters, she told me how good her Bee Bella box was. Try saying that fast 3 times. Bee Bella box, Bee Bella. Anyway, this is what the box looks like, and they gift wrap it. It's super pretty, and I just think it's super cute. I have not dived into it. It's still sealed for my protection. And this was a $25 box, and it did charge like $7 or $8 in shipping. But it's a nice size box. I love the sound of scissors on a label. And it's and the box itself is gorgeous. It says Bee Bella, Bee Bella, like an Italiano. I don't know, but they are also, I think they work with Beauty Creations because this bubble wrap says Beauty Creations. And we can never have too much bubble wrap for giveaways and such. Oh, all right. So we get down into here, and it says Bee Bella Cosmetics, and it's got a little box here that says Darling. It's the first thing I see. And this is a metallic shadow pot, which I love metallic shadows. I can't wait to see what color. Ooh, I have to open it to tell. And it says, just says Bee Bella metallic. It says Darling. I don't know what color Darling is. Ooh, it is a beautiful gray. Just popped it out. It's kind of a clay texture. Ooh, it's super pigmented. Ooh, that is really pretty. I will keep that with my other single metallic shadows. Let's shear it out some to get the metallic. There we go. Look at that shimmer. That is fantastic. And I'll put it here. I've got some great singles that are shimmery and glittery. Oh, this is going to be a minute to get this off my hand. Oh well, let's get into the rest of the box. Next up, oh, this is a palette. This is the B35F palette from Bee Bella. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, please don't let me sneeze. I don't want to sneeze. No sneeze. Oh, sneeze! All right, and this is a very basic kind of, I've seen this kind of plastic palette before for a lot of indie brands. Oh, the plastic came right out. Oh, but that's super pretty. And I will give that a go because it's got a lot of colors that I like. I'm not going to swatch it just yet, just because I just got done de-swatching my hand. But that's a pretty palette. And it's got how many colors? 28 colors in here? Or is it more than that? 7, 7, 7, 7. That's 28. 35. I can't do math, but I'm so super cute. Please bless my heart. If you're Southern, well, bless her heart. Please bless my heart, because I am a special girl. Anyway, enough messing with that box. There are more things in here. There's a handful of things in the bottom. There seems to be this really cool Lip Perfection. That is a really bright pinkish purple. I don't know if it's like, I mean, I do wear some bright colors, so I don't know. I'll check that out. Then I got a dark purple lip. Ooh, I love that lip liner. And I will definitely use that because I love to do some dark purple looks. Oh, And then this is an eye one in white. And white can be good in your inner water lines and stuff. That's very cool. And then I got 3 brushes that look pretty nice. So for $25, I got 3 brushes, 2 lip pencils and an eye pencil, a big palette. It says 35 on it, so I'm pretty sure it means 35 colors. 35 color palette. And this awesome pot of metallic eyeshadow. So I think that is a pretty good box for $25. I'm super tickled with it. That palette is cute. And I think that I will have fun with this until my daddy takes my T-Bird away. Have a great day, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.